Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to disable password reveal button in Windows 10. There is a feature on Windows that allows users to reveal password when click on that button while typing your password on the Windows screen just next to the submit button. And extremely helpful, especially for long passwords or for complicated passwords. If you are concerned about security, especially if you are using a shared computer, you can disable this feature so that passwords will not be accidentally revealed to others. There are two methods that you can do to disable password reveal button, and it will be discussed in this video. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. First method, disable from local group policy editor. The policy setting of this feature can be enabled or disabled in the local group policy editor. However, this method is not applicable for Windows Home Edition, but you can do the second method instead. To do this, press Windows key plus R key to open Runbox. Then at Runbox type gpedit.msc and press Enter. At Local Group Policy Editor window, click Computer Configuration to expand it. Then click Administrative Templates to expand it. Next, Windows Components to expand it. Then click Credential, User Interface to expand it. Then at right pane, double-click Do Not Reveal the Password Reveal Button option. Then click the Enabled option. Click Apply to apply changes made, then click OK to exit. Second method, disable from Registry Editor. This is another method to disable password reveal button, and this is the only method that works for Windows Home Edition. If you use the first method, it will automatically be updated. However, if you want to use this method directly, you may need to create the missing key and the value of the specific setting that you want to disable, compared to the first method where the settings is already available. To do this, press Windows key plus R key to open Runbox. Then at Runbox type, Regedit and press Enter. At Registry Editor window, navigate to the following: HK local machine folder to expand it, then click Software folder, then click Policies folder, click Microsoft folder to expand it, then click Windows folder to expand it, then click Cred UI. If Cred UI is missing, you can create the category by right-clicking on Windows, then click New, then click Key. Right-click on the Cred UI and choose New, and then select DWORD 32-bit value option. Now name the key as Disable Password, reveal and press Enter. Next, double-click on Disable Password, reveal at right pane, change value data to 1, then click OK. Exit Registry Editor, restart computer. You can always enable anytime, simply change the value to 0, or just delete the value. And that's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.